Hey guys, it's Kath, and today I want to welcome you to my office. Let's try that again. Alright guys, as you can see, this room is in shambles. Don't judge me guys, this is the room that's next to the entry of our home. So every time we get packages, things get thrown in here. Every time we do laundry, it just gets thrown in here if we don't have time to fold them right away. Every time we come home from a trip, our luggage just kind of gets thrown in here. So this is the room that doesn't get the most love, but it's also my office space, and it should be this creative place for me to be able to get work done. So I figured once and for all, I'm going to clean this room, take care of it. And honestly, Sean and I, as we've been in the home buying process, we've been really convicted and thinking about, you know, before we go into the next, before God takes us into our dream home, into that next place in our life and in our journey, we have to take care of the now and where we are now. So we have been taking care of every room in our home and really bringing in that vibe and what we love. So basically, I wanted to take you guys along the journey as I turn this disaster into a fully functioning office space. And of course, Coupon Kath is here, so you guys know I'm going to be sharing all the deals that I know, coupons, and really affordable DIYs. So if you guys want to see how I turn this room from this to this, then just keep on watching. All right, your girl got her hair up and we are ready to do this. My first step with decluttering and cleaning is usually always just grabbing a trash bag and just getting rid of all the disposables, all the trash. But because there's so much clutter in this room right now, I just really want to focus on making room in here and kind of getting things out of the room. So I'm going to start making piles out in the hallway of like anything that needs to go to the bathroom, make a bathroom pile. Anything that needs to go to the bedroom, make a bedroom pile. That way it'll save me from going to my bathroom like 30 times or going to my bedroom multiple times. Just make your piles for each dedicated space and then bring everything all at once. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna start bringing as much as we can out of this room so we can actually walk through, and then we'll go on to the next step. So let's go. All right, so now we actually have a floor in this room. I know. Now that we kind of cleared up a lot of the space, I got my trash bag and we're just gonna start throwing out all the paper, all the boxes, all the packages, whatever's trash in here, we're getting rid of it. Let's go. Around here that I'm saving because it's cute. Like, this is black and gold and I've probably had it for like 2 years just sitting here.
What did I tell you when you got it?
You know what? I know. I don't want to keep it anymore, but I can't believe I've kept this for 2 years just because it's black and gold. Well, this one's marble and rose gold. This one's marble and rose gold. So this one can stay.
No, there's nothing
this one
there.
can stay.
What does it say?
It says uncover the beauty, uncover the secret. Come on.
First of all, that says unlock.
It says uncover. Oh, unlock. Uncover, unlock, whatever. We're making progress. All my bins here kind of have like makeup in it that I haven't played with yet. A lot of them are giveaways. A lot of them are just random stuff that I haven't touched yet. All right, so I'm gonna have to say bye to a lot of this stuff, but we're making progress here, guys. Getting rid of a lot of trash, and now I have to figure out how I'm gonna organize all the makeup that is gonna be for giveaways, and makeup that I can easily see everything. So when I wanna try a new lip product, try a new brow product, I can easily grab them, you know? So I'm gonna figure that out. Alright, so now we're gonna head into the closet. This closet has never really had like a main purpose. We just kind of use it as storage. The boys' shoes are in here, clothes are in here, a lot of my stuff. So I wanna make sure that we make it a lot more functional right now and useful. So I'm gonna start off by taking the few clothes that are in here. Guys, do you see this? My grandmother made this for Kason for his first birthday outfit. It was King Kason's Royal Carnival celebration. So this is definitely going to go into our memory bin. And then a lot of this stuff that I have in here, we have a lot of clothes that we got out of this room. A lot of it's going into donations. Our family sends like a bunch of clothes and items to our country, Cape Verde. And then whatever is not really in season for them, because it's very, very hot there. So anything that's winter clothes, we will try to sell if they're in good condition, or just donate around here. So a lot of the things that are in good condition, I'm just gonna try to sell on my Poshmark store. And Poshmark is just an app and a website where you can just buy and sell your own clothes. So we're gonna start organizing these clothes and getting everything else out of here. So the decluttering process is finally done, and now it's time to decorate and glam up this space. I had so much fun doing some really easy DIYs in this room, like these curtains, this really cute desk calendar, and this wall grid that cost only around like $5 for me to make. Plus, I went a little crazy with the gold spray paint. So if you want to see how I made all these DIYs plus more, head to that video in the description box down below once you're done over here. Guys, do you see this transformation? If you think we killed it with transforming this room, comment down below. I think we did a good job. I'm actually really in love with it. It came out better than I pictured in my mind, and this is actually a space that I can be creative in, that is easy for me to like come in, clock in, and then clock out, so work doesn't kind of take over home and my family life. I don't know, I'm just really happy with the DIYs and just how it feels to be in this space. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want more videos like this. I really enjoy doing home decor videos, and now that the holidays are rolling back around, definitely gonna be doing more. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and press the little bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video and you're not left behind, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Be blessed.